Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at VEVOR's. This is their curb ramp. It is made out of a rubber material. And this is what it looks like. It's just a thick, very heavy duty. I mean very heavy duty little ramp. They also provide you with the tape. So basically you can use this anywhere and everywhere. We're actually going to be using this. We have a robot vacuum that has trouble going up this lip here. It's an old vacuum. Instead of getting that, we decided to use this. And this is going to allow the vacuum to go directly up top right into our next room. But again, you can use this for anything. It's great for people who have wheelchairs to get over your door. So if you have one outside, one inside, you can get over the door ridge. It's great for just different areas of use. And yeah, it's going to work great for us, and I think it'll work great for you. If it is too big, you can always cut it. I mean, it's gonna be a little tough. But if you know what you're doing, you can always cut it and make it smaller, or make it into two pieces if you wanted to.